Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning, students. Good morning. How are you today? Fine. Fine semua. You are all fine. I'm not sure though. Okay. Sebelum kita mulai pelajaran, Miss, I will take your attendance first. When I say your name, you have to answer with your mood today. Do you know mood?
Yes.
Happy, sad, or hungry. Oh no, hungry is not mood actually. Happy, sad, or so-so, or boring, sleepy. Okay? Saya Miss sambil take your attendance. Alvira Shifa? Happy? Ya, happy. Andini Nurlita. M. Fatih Alfarid. Where is Fatih? Happy, Fatih? Yes, betul dah. I am happy. Okay. Okay, now, can someone read this for me? No, Wisnu. Anyone? Can someone read this for me? Should? Ya, should Rangkayo Hitam be declared as a national hero? Haruskah orang kayu hitam dideklarasikan sebagai pahlawan nasional? Okay. Now I want someone to read this learning objective, tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Jadi setelah kita belajar nanti, kalian itu bakal dapat apa dari pembelajaran hari ini? Okay? Who wants to help me reading this? Okay, Wisnu.
Learning objective. Students are able to analyze the contents of the discussion text regarding should Rangkayo Hitam be declared as a national hero through media that is adjusted to their learning style in a clear, structured, and contextual manner.
Okay, thank you Wisnu. Artinya apa? Siswa. Okay, siswa. And then? Menganalisis, betul. And then? Bisa kalian tuh apa lagi? Menganalisis. Konten itu isi ya. Isi. Text discussion. Mengenai apa tadi? Haruskah Rangkayo Hitam dideklarasikan sebagai pahlawan nasional through media. Melalui media that is adjusted, yang disesuaikan dengan gaya belajar. Before that, I want to ask some question. Do you know the hero from Jambi? Hero from Jambi other than Rangkayo Hitam? Sultan Taha, and then? Sultan Taha Saifuddin. Okay, and then? Rangkayo Hitam, and then ada lagi nggak? Any other hero that comes to your mind? Putri Pinang Masa, oke. Ya, itu tokoh bisa. Ada lagi? Oke, so what do you know about Rangkayo Hitam? Rangkayo Hitam. Not black, just a name. Kan ya? It just a name Rangkayo Hitam. Doesn't mean that he has black skin, okay? Have you ever heard of Rangkayo Hitam sebelum Miss bilang tadi? Sudah, when? Kapan? No, when you were in elementary school? Waktu di SD? Udah pernah dengar? Okay. And then you only know the name. You don't know about the history and all? Cuma tahu namanya doang? That's okay. Rian Bastian. Where is Rian?
Yes.
Rian, can you help me reading this? Yeah. Read the text. Louder, lebih keras. That's okay. I'm not biting you or something. A person. Okay, good job. Thank you, Rian. What is the meaning? Apa artinya kira-kira? Nah, apa yang membuat seseorang itu layak untuk dipanggil atau diberi julukan sebagai pahlawan nasional? Kira-kira apa? Perjuangan, sacrifice, and then Ya, utamakan perjuangannya untuk national ya, untuk our nation. Oke, okay, good. Sudah tahu kan gaya belajarnya ada apa aja? Kemarin sudah Miss bagi kan? Ada yang visual. Mana yang visual gaya belajarnya? Sebelah mana? Oke, okay, visual sebelah sini duduknya. Oke. Okay. And then auditory yang mendengar kemarin duduknya sebelah mana? Dua ini ya? Oh, auditory dua ini. Oke, okay. Satu baris ini. Terakhir membaca. Mana yang membaca? Oke, okay, raise your hand. Kat tangan. Oke. Okay. This one is group for reading. Nah, okay, activity 1, okay? Sit on a group based on your learning style and do the activity that the teacher instructed. Oke, okay, jadi yang visual, group visual, I'll give you a text. Oke, okay, ini group visual, I'll give you a text about Rangkayo Hitam. Every group has the same text about Rangkayo Hitam, but you will learn through different media. Kalau yang visual, you will get this text, and then kalian terserah mau di highlight atau bikin peta konsep, anything yang membantu kalian belajar. Bisa dicoret-coret nanti. Oke, auditory, which is yang mana auditory tadi? Ma auditory, can you scan this code? Ya, keluarkan HP-nya and then scan this barcode. Bisa? You will learn through listening to a video. Bisa nggak? Bisa maju ke depan kok, oke kan? And then the last one, group reading. Group reading will get a text about Rangkayo Hitam. Read the text and then write something on your book. No, belakangnya nggak? Nanti. Dibaca and then you understand the text. Isinya dipahami dulu. If you don't know the meaning, you can ask me. Yeah, you can make mind map. Do you know mind map? Peta konsep? Bisa. Bikin peta konsep atau mind map. Yeah, you can.
Highlight.
Yes.
Do we need to do anything for the highlighting thing?
Yeah. Oke, kalau udah selesai memahaminya, you can answer the questions on the paper. Ada 3 questions kan, 3 pertanyaan. Nah, you can answer that. Oke, bisa dilihat nggak? Can you see the questions on the paper? So there are 3 questions. Ada pertanyaan. The first question, which argument support declaring him a national hero? So your jawaban kalian nanti adalah mana yang teksnya itu yang mensupport atau yang mendukung Rangkayo Hitam itu menjadi pahlawan nasional. Diisi di situ. Misalnya tadi karena apa? Pengorbanan. Nah, ada di teksnya kan? Tulis. And then second question, which arguments oppose it? Jadi argumen mana yang menentang? Oke? Okay? Yang terakhir, write your opinion. Jadi ada opini kalian. Opini kalian itu yang mana? Apakah seharusnya dideklarasikan sebagai pahlawan nasional atau tidak? Oke? Okay? Iya kan? Oh, ya. Do you have any question, boy? What is your name? Siapa namanya tadi? Yusuf. Oke, Miss sambil jalan, Miss sambil nilai. Kalian kerja atau enggak sambil nilai. Oke, finish. Yang paling depan tolong kumpulin kertasnya ke depan, yang paling depan. Gimana tadi teksnya? What about the text? Is it difficult to understand? Sulit nggak? Sulit? No? So? Okay, that's good. Let's see, ayo kita lihat kalau ya should Rangkayo Hitam be declared as a national hero. Yang mana, apa isunya? What is the issue? Yang kita bahas apa?
So the text supports the text had a paragraph that supports Rangkayo Hitam should be declared as a national hero. It states that Rangkayo Hitam, Rangkayo Hitam was known for his bravery, and it could spark uh, and promote cultural pride and inspire younger generations. That is one of the
This one?
argument,
Yeah.
and the other argument that is that we could be recognized as one of the cultures uh, that has a story that is very brave, that is very encouraging for our national hero to move to move this nation widely. That's one of the arguments too. So that is two arguments that supports that Rangkayo Hitam should be declared as a national hero.
Okay, thank you Wisnu, good job.
Ah,
Can you give applause? Okay, jadi itu tadi ya. Apa aja tadi? Kalau yang argumen kontranya, kenapa tidak setuju?
On the other hand, critics argue to that Rangkayo Hitam does not meet the standard of for national hero status, primarily because much of his legacy is based on oral tradition rather than variable historical record.
Okay, thank you Dimas. No problem. Ya, applause for Dimas. Tepuk tangan. Ada yang mau menyimpulkan pembelajaran kita hari ini? Oke, siapa yang mau? Hari ini kita belajar apa? What did we learn today? Nah, kamu aja. Nggak usah pakai mic-nya. Siapa namanya? What is your name?
Dian.
Dian?
Dian.
Dian, oke. Apa yang kita pelajari hari ini, Dian? Tentang teks apa? Teks
Tentang apa tadi?
diskusi ya, sambil pegang. Itu? Ya, teks diskusi. And then?
Diskusi, dan kita membahas tentang Rangkayo Hitam dan apa yang membuat beliau pantas disebut sebagai pahlawan nasional.
Dan apa yang tidak?
Iya, dan apa yang tidak.
Oke, good job. Nah, gitu doang. Oke, good job. Applause for Dian. Yang kencang dong, applause. Oke, jadi kita hari ini belajar discussion text tentang Rangkayo Hitam. Oke. Nah, ini sekarang scan this QR code untuk mengisi refleksi ya. Nah, semuanya di scan. Sambil ngisi, ada yang mau ditanyakan nggak? Any questions for our lesson today? Ada? No? Oke, sudah selesai pembelajaran kita hari ini. We finish our lesson today. Thank you for your cooperation today. If I have made any mistake, I'm so sorry. Oke, terima kasih untuk partisipasinya hari ini. See you on another time, oke? Oke, sampai jumpa lagi. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Iya, thank you juga.